Mount Waterman, in the San Gabriel Mountains, is a lesser-known day ski and snowboarding area near Los Angeles, and the skiers who love it hope it stays that way. It is actually the closest skiing to LA at just 47 miles from City Hall and was one of the first local areas used for skiing, with the first rope tow installed in 1939. Mount Waterman depends entirely on natural snow, so there have been years where there was not enough snow to open for the entire season. Mount Waterman has 3 chairlifts serving 24 runs, most of which are advanced or expert level, and is an upside-down resort with the amenities at the top of the chairlift instead of the bottom. Like Mount Baldy, non-advanced skiers will have to ride the chairlift back down to the parking lot, since all the bottom ski runs are expert level. Keep in mind that it's a bit of a trek to get farther up the hill to the beginner and intermediate slopes. During the season, Mount Waterman Ski Area is open on weekends, holidays, and powder days, and locals await those powder days with great anticipation. When the base is deep enough to cover the rocks and there's a fresh layer of powder, skiing Mount Waterman is great. If you're planning on skiing Mount Waterman, you should have your own gear or rent it before you drive up, as there is no rental available. If the lifts are running, there are restrooms, phones, ski patrol, food, and drinks available at the warming hut at the top of Chair 1.